Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add white outline to your product image in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for background from some of the stock photo options available here. Or you can go to Uploads if you want to upload your own background image. For this video, let me select this background here. OK. Now I will search for a specific product here. You can also upload your own product image. Let me search for something. For example, let's search for sunglasses. OK, let me select this product image here. Now go on the top here and click on Edit Photo and scroll down and select Shadows and click on Glow. And now let's adjust the size. Increase this up to 18% here. And the blur amount should be 0%. Let's reduce angle to 0% here. And now you can adjust the distance as per your requirement. Let's keep it around 5%. Now let me select the white color here and increase the intensity up to 100%. Now let's adjust the size of this image here. If you want to add any additional text next to it later on for social media posting or for your website. See, that was so easy. You can now go to the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down to click on Download to download this image. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.